there might be a little bit of pain. Probably don't want a lot of pain.
Ow.
Take a look around.
What do you do with your mouth?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know. I'm just making face shapes. Why not?
Face shapes. On today's episode of Plug Your Holes.
So let's say maybe, just maybe, you have your ears pierced and you want to have them be bigger.
Came to the right place.
You could do a whole bunch of things that would cost a whole lot of money, or you can buy a Plug Your Hole starter kit and get yourself everything you need to get to the size 0 gauge 8 millimeters for those of you who use the metric system, aka all but 3 countries on earth, and get yourself tapers and which are hollow in the back so you can put the tunnel in the back, follow it through.
Yeah.
Katie, my assistant here,
Hello.
will show you. And it goes from, I believe, 16 gauge all the way up to 0.
Yes, sir.
You get yourself some fucking ear butter.
Oh, man.
I missed that on purpose. I'm that good. Unfortunately, so did Garrett. Missed catching it.
All right. If you zoom in really close. I'm joking.
They're hollow in the back, and the tunnel goes in the back of it so that you're not having to fight it. It goes in every time you're ready to size up.
Like so.
And then you get to put the back on, screw it on, wait for it to heal. I recommend waiting 4 to 6 weeks between stretches. Basically, there's like the point where there might be a little bit of pain. Probably don't want a lot of pain.
Ow.
And then there's like the itchy feeling, which is the
pleasure.
healing. If it gets too itchy, call a doctor.
Paging Dr. Butthole. Dr. Butthole.
Other than that, that's the new size you're at, and that way we get you through your first 9 sizes. 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0.
Well, and it's like a lot more cost effective too, because imagine having to buy all of these separate multiple times. Just get it all at once. It's a one-stop shop. And it comes in this really cool box.
It really does. And you can put future plugs in that box. Not sure why she did that.
You get stickers.
You get stickers. Alcohol wipes.
Sanitary.
When you're in a bind. And all of the materials in this are made out of 316L surgical stainless steel for maximum sterility. Sterilization.
Maximum power.
Expropriation. I don't know, man. I'm a high school dropout. I don't know words.
I went to public school.
I did until I dropped out. Anyway, if you guys have any other questions or you guys need to know anything about our starter kit, if you have any concerns, hit us up. Let us know in the comments below. Hit us up on Instagram, Plug Your Holes. Email us, support@plugyourholes.com. Get yourself over to plugyourholes.com. And you know what? Subscribe, because we're kind of fucking cool. We're kind of cool.
Stay up to date. Learn about all the other kits we will make one day.
Yeah. Don't you fucking believe what they say, okay? Do not believe what they say. You come back here. You come right back here. Love you guys. Have a great week.
Bye.
We're out.
Take a look around.